What's up, everybody? In today's video, I'll be showing you different ways of how to get rid of thin hair naturally. If this is your first time watching my channel, welcome to the family. My name is Kian. Some people call me Key, and I post very informative videos weekly. If you want to learn how to do different things on a budget, please click on that subscribe button so that whenever I post a video, you will be notified. Thinning hair could be caused by getting older, your genetics, not eating a balanced diet, using too many hair products, or it may be because of an illness. Hair care is essential not only for our looks, but also for our general health. Having healthy hair allows us to appear our best and feel confident. When you don't have healthy hair, it can affect your self-confidence. While it's impossible to change the nature of hair follicles, people can do a variety of things to make their hair appear thicker and reduce breakage and hair loss. These procedures that I will be sharing with you should not be used in place of treatment for underlying issues like nutritional deficiencies or alopecia. Protein is abundant in eggs, and the body needs protein to develop strong, thick hair. When you use eggs on a regular basis, they can help to thicken and strengthen your hair. So what you need to do is to whisk 2 eggs together and apply it to the scalp. Ensure that you're applying it to wet hair and leave it on for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, wash your hair with mild shampoo and conditioner and use some warm water to wash it. If you can't use eggs because you don't like the smell, I have another option for you, which is olive oil. It's rich in healthy fats and other minerals that are beneficial to both overall and hair health. Olive oil produces thicker hair when applied properly to the hair and the scalp. What you can do is heat a pot with some water, and then you place the olive oil inside of a container inside of that pot. Ensure that you only heat the oil to a comfortable temperature for you because you don't want to burn yourself. When the oil is properly heated, massage it into your scalp and leave it on for about 45 minutes, and then you wash your hair as you normally would. The third thing that I am going to advise is that you should ensure that you're having a nutritious diet that is rich in healthy fats, protein, and a range of vitamins. If you have thin hair, it can also mean that you're not getting enough nutrients. So this is why having a healthy diet is very, very important. You can introduce salmon in your diet. It's a fish that is high in protein and fatty acid content. Eggs are also very good for you because they're high in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and iron. You can make orange puree as a treatment for your hair. Oranges include vitamin C, pectin, and acid, all of which are beneficial to a person's hair in many different ways. The vitamins and nutrients in orange may improve your hair's natural sheen, giving it a thicker appearance. Orange puree can be used as a hair treatment by rubbing the puree of fresh oranges into the hair and the scalp. After you rub the orange puree into your hair, allow it to stay on your hair for 1 hour and wash your hair as you normally would. Aloe vera is another wonderful ingredient that you can use to help your hair to get thicker. To use aloe vera gel, massage some gel into your wet hair and allow it to stay for about half an hour and wash your hair like you normally would. You could do this about 2 times per week, and it will definitely help to strengthen your hair and make your hair thicker. Avocado is abundant in vitamin E, and it's a very good moisturizer. To make an avocado hair mask, combine 1 tablespoon of olive oil with a small avocado and use it to make a puree. Massage the avocado puree into your hair and leave it on for about 45 minutes, and then wash your hair with a mild shampoo and conditioner. There you have it, guys. I've showed you several different ways that you could use to help your hair to be thicker. Choose one that you're most comfortable with and one that works well for you, and be consistent and watch your hair grow. To my subscribers who does not miss any of my videos when I upload them, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you. See you guys in the next video.